We're here at CWC, Naga City. And it's a wakeboard center. What this is? Water bike. Water bike. This is new. It's amazing, huh? Are you waiting for me? Ah, is it me or is it the mula, the money? Hey, it's Sophia. Sophia.
It's 1,000.
Sophia, come here. Athena, come here. This is Athena. She's the new Miss Philippines. And this is the second runner-up. Oh my God, this is Sophia and Athena. Welcome to CWC. You want to ride one of these things here? Sophie, you want to ride one of these? Huh? Are you guys ready? How much is it? Stingray and buggy.
Girl.
What's that? Janita, sign me in, please.
Yeah.
You paid already?
Yeah, 270 with senior discount for you.
Wow. Okay, hold on a second.
What's the Chinese girl? Wala, hindi na lang ko niya.
Wala ko yung kita na ulit yun. Dislocate.
Ayun, sa kasama na si Hindi, oh.
Kenji! Babaero! Kang malaki ko! Hindi na ako ni. Makasogo na yun. Pugi yun! Pugi yun!
Yoko!
O yun!
One saro! Para dua. Makasogo na yan. Hindi mo magatusin.
How was your swim? How was your swim?
Pretty wet. It was wet. How about?
Oh, he's leaving me.
Butterfly. Init, chef.
Yeah. What a nice pool and super clean. I mean, the water comes straight from the mountain. Oh, there's underwater swimming here. Let's see how far he can go. That is unbelievable. Big lungs. Big lungs, 30 meters. Who has the numbers? She does. Whoa. No, you need to show her. Hold this for a second. It's a video. You need to hear. You go like from here, and then you move wiggle around like that. What you need to do is you put your finger here, in front of that. Hit it right there. A little lower, not too high. In the center.
Nice one.
Is it still running? Okay. Show her the fingers again. Yeah, show her the finger. No, closer to. Yeah. Very good. That was much better already. So it's Sophia's turn. Whoa, look at her. Whee! This must be the Philippines here. Mira.